Welcome to English Digital. Today we'll look as to how we can make money on Google Blogger using the Adsterra ad network. Now this is a free method, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe to it and give a like to this video, and the link to joining Adsterra is in the description. You can click that and join Adsterra. So before we proceed, let us just look at Adsterra briefly overview to understand what this network is all about. It's an old network and a huge network actually. It has over 33,000 partners and it was founded in 2013, so over 10 years of experience, and it's present in 248 geos, and it mostly covers all the 195 countries I presume. And you can check out the ad formats. There are a lot of ad formats, from pop-under to social bar, in-page push, native banners, video ads, banner ads, and all of that. So you can actually click this and understand what this is. So in this video we're going to focus on the social bar, which is highly converting, and the native banners. So we're going to see how we can place those social bars and native banners on our Google Blogger free website, and how we could start making money using this ad network. So click the link in the description and join Adsterra. So once you join Adsterra as a publisher, you'll come to the Adsterra dashboard, which will look like this. One moment, it's loading. So this. So from the dashboard, you need to go to websites, where we need to add our website and see as to how you could add a website and add the code to the website. Now already I have two websites added, so I'm going to use one of those as examples to see how this whole process is done. So let us dive in. And just to this website is not in English, but the whole idea, the concept is the same. So if you just look at this social bar ad, this is the social bar ad, and this is the basically the one of the banner ads. So if you click the social bar ad here, it opens up and it takes you to the respective advertising for probably this audience who's advertising. And if the visitor clicks an ad and views this ad, you will get paid. And if they actually takes action on the ad, like sign up to this program, then you get paid more, because this all that activities are tracked using the cookie here on top of the URL. You can see the the cookies being used here, this one here. So Adsterra tracks all the actions using the cookies which the visitor uses, with what the visitor does after clicking the ad. So short and sweet, that's how Adsterra pays the publishers. Okay, now once you come to the dashboard, you need to click on the website here option here, and then choose add website. So when you click add website, you come to this pop-up screen here, and for that purpose, now already I have a website and added this, but the same process. If you have a website, a blog, a basic blog, and if you don't know how to create a blog on Blogger, I have already done a video on that. You can click the top screen card there, or you can click the link in the description and view that video first to see how you can create a blog under 30 minutes or within an hour. And you need to post at least 5-6 articles, and then you need to make the blog live on Blogger, and you need to copy the URL on top. Okay, you need to copy the URL and paste it on this add new website option, right? I copied the URL, okay, and I pasted it. Then you need to select a category, and you need to choose what type of ad you want to put. In this case, we're going to choose social bar because highly converting and really good, and choose the campaign, remove campaigns. You can, these are all active. If you take this, also becomes active, but to keep this off, erotic ads, and you just click add. Okay, when you just click add, automatically, as already this website is added, so it will not add. So but if it's not added, then the website will go into pending. There'll be another column here shows as pending, and your website will take around under an hour. Your website will be approved. Okay, so after the website is approved, this is where we come in. We're going to see how we can place these codes. Okay, so if you don't know how to add a code, you just go, this is what the website I took as a sample. So you do click this add code option here, and already I have added the direct link, the native banners, social bars, and these type of ads. So I'm going to choose something different for this tutorial purpose, but if you have a new website, all those are going to be open for you to easily choose an ad. So I'm going to choose this option as an example for the purpose of the tutorial, 350 to 250 size banner ad unit, and we're going to click add. Okay, so once you click add, automatically this goes into pending submission. Okay, it goes into pending, and you have to wait for the approval. Take a couple of hours, but once it's approved, you will get this active sign is approved. Okay, so then when the ad gets approved, in this case we already added the ad, So in this website, but I'm going to show you the steps, same steps. Okay, now with social bar we added it, but we're going to see how it needs to be added. So you click the get code here. Once the ad is approved, you need to copy this script, JavaScript. Copy this script here, left click and copy. Then you go to the Blogger. This is the Blogger website, and this is the template of the website. For example, I created the Blogger website, added all these posts. Okay, and here I go to the layout. Now, like I said before, if you don't know how to create a Blogger website, check that video out with link in the description. Then you have a better understanding as to what I'm saying. So once you click the layout, you come to the sidebar option here. Okay, now if you're already built the website, you know what I'm talking about on the sidebar, and you click this HTML JavaScript option. Now, if you don't know, if it's not already present, if you don't know how to add this HTML JavaScript code box, you need to click this add gadget as sidebar. The sidebar appears as default in every Blogger layout template. Okay, so you just choose HTML, you click this HTML option here, and automatically after doing that, your HTML code box will come here. So you remember we pasted this. Where is that? We copied this. Okay, now I'm going to paste it here. You left click this. Bam, already I pasted the ad code here, so that's why it appears on the website. So you just paste it here and click this save. So once you click the save, then you will get the ads showing up on the website, like on this one. You can see this is a native ad. Okay, probably a native ad is people, blogger, news sites, advertising. So even if somebody views this and clicks this, even for the view, Adsterra pays, I think for 1,000 views they pay $1 or $2. Somebody clicks and takes an action on this site, reads this blog, scrolls down, spends about 30 seconds to a minute on this blog. Then the cookie, like I told you before, the cookie is on top in the URL box here. You can see the cookie here. This is where you go. Yeah, this is the cookie, comes from here. This is the cookie. There's a cookie. This is your code. This is your let's say your identification number with the cookie with the ad. So Adsterra monitors the visitors' actions through this cookie. Okay, so that's how this whole thing takes place. However, how this advertising Adsterra monitors and pays its publishers through this method. Okay, so you get paid for the actions taken on the website on the ad. So that's what you need to do. You need to place the code in the Blogger. It's free. The whole thing is free. It's all good. So you can make money, but you need to get a lot of traffic onto your Blogger. So just having 1,000 visitors a month won't do. You need to get at least, to make a sufficient amount of money, at least 50,000 visitors to a month to your website. And for a lot of people, it's difficult to get Google AdSense approval now. It's very difficult. And if your site is rejected from AdSense and you have nowhere to go, then you can try Adsterra. Okay, Adsterra, and there's another popular network called Popular Ads, for which that's another video for that. Or you can use Adsterra network, and you can use a bit of affiliate marketing as well, like with the links, affiliate links on your Blogger. That also will generate traffic. So I've created a different video for that on that aspect. So I think I covered pretty much the areas, and if you have any doubts, please do leave it in the comments box, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel and support my channel so that I can produce some good videos like this going forward. And I'm looking to put one video every day, so I hope I keep that coming. And if you have any comments, if you want to leave me a comment, and if you want any videos that I would like to make suggestions, please do leave it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to make your video which you were requested. So until next time, it's adios and bye bye from English Digital. Thank you very much.